On Monday, VDM will appear in court on the 1 billion naira lawsuit that was filed by the sons of the prophets, because that is what they address themselves as, the sons of a senior prophet Jeremiah Motofofoyin. One, what will be the issue? Why I'm doing this video is, who do you think is going to win this case? Slow down, listen to me first, because the law court is not an emotional ground. The law court is not a sentimental ground. The law court is not social media. The law court is backed by the law, facts, figures, and evidence. Who do you think is going to win this case? What is the issue? One, they are asking him to come and prove in the court how that there was a testimony that was aired. PM said that the testimony was stage managed, and he should come and prove how that testimony was stage managed. Two, he should stop talking about anything that has to do with Prophet Jeremiah Motofofoyin. Anything, stop talking about it, because he's not approved to do that. Who are you to be asking of the ingredients of a product? Are you NCC? Are you NAFDAC? Are you this and this and this and this? That's the issue on ground. Now, the first question is this: is VDM allowed or authorized to ask questions on the ingredients of a product? I did some research from the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission. In one of the articles there, it's federal. They said that there is right to information in plain and understandable language. Businesses are required to provide information about their products and services in a manner that is easily understandable by consumers. If you're a business, some people for Nigeria don't know their rights. I'm telling you now, you're right. As a business person, a company, a business selling product or services is required to provide information about those products, about those services in a manner that is easily understandable by customers or consumers. Is VDM a consumer? Yes. And the question was actually simple. Does it have NAFDAC number? If the answer is yes, then let's see the NAFDAC number. It says NAFDAC, National Association for Food and Drug Administration and Control. Food is a national body controlling the passage, usage, administration of products, cream, perfume, bottled water, sachet water. So NAFDAC is supposed to approve those things. So VDM is asking the right question as a Nigerian, asking, does this have NAFDAC number? That's a good question. And as a consumer, he has a protection from consumer rights to ask what did they do. And the organization that is producing this product and advertising it is, I think, they're just supposed to explain and close the case. But I think there's something deeper in this case. I'm a businessman. I promote health products, and for my new customers, if I start telling them what this product can do, it can do this. One of the questions they always ask me is this: does this product have NAFDAC number? I'll tell them yes. They'll ask for it. If I have it, I will show it. If I don't have it, I'll ask for company, please send me NAFDAC document of this product. A customer wants to see it. So it is right for an individual, me, you, to ask a company, wait till to do this thing. We make them they do this kind of thing. It is right. So I expected the senior prophet to send information on NAFDAC registration, and that settles the whole case. So, and if VDM now has query now, he will not send the query to NAFDAC. If the prophet published the NAFDAC details of the products he's advertising that does different things, and VDM now finds it questionable again, the case has left prophet's table. He cannot go to NAFDAC and ask NAFDAC questions. Now, looking at it from another angle, there's something called religion in the law court system. This is what I want to tell you. Now go ask your lawyer. Is a non-Christian permitted by law to ask questions on the activities of Christianity? I did a video here one day. I'm a Christian, of course, you all know. Now, I now asked, why are the Christian religious leaders not saying anything about the ongoing protest? I bet the hardship not reach their members. Somebody came to ask me in the comment section, why am I calling pastors? I should call imams. I should call afars. I said, I'm not a Muslim now. That will not concern me. Let the influencers from that community ask them questions. Waiting concern me and my religion, because I be Christian. Is a non-Christian approved by law, allowed by law, to ask questions on the activities of a Christian body? Is VDM a Christian? If yes, which church in they go? If no, he's not a Christian, where do you worship? What concern you with? I'm telling you what will happen for law court on Monday. Now what will happen at the tell you so? Because now go see and play out. As a non-Christian, you don't have rights to ask questions. Ask your lawyer. No, argue me. Go and ask your lawyer. Is a non-Christian allowed by law to ask questions on what is happening among Christian bodies? Is an Islam or a Muslim allowed to ask about Christians? Is a Christian allowed legally, because now the matter where they for law court be that. So no matter how this is, I think this is going to be a 50-50 case. I think this is going to be a 50-50 case. VDM has a point. The sons of the prophet have their own point, but the law is going to decide. But no matter how it be, we're going to try no a constitution, no a right. It is a right of anybody to ask of the ingredients of a product. But the question now in the comma is this: is it the right of a non-Christian to ask on the ingredients advertised by a Christian body? Maybe that is why they didn't sue Ebedamima, because Ebedamima is a Christian. This is a very intelligent video. Ask your lawyer, drop a question, tell me how it is going to be. How do you think it's going to look like with all these facts and figures tabled? Let's discuss later.